Hi, this is Mark Wahlstrom. I'm the president of Wahlstrom and Associates, also the featured commentator on the Settlement Channel, which is available on the internet, a broadcast which discusses all the areas of structured settlements, court settlements, and a variety of issues of interest to trial lawyers and personal injury victims. Today I'm here to talk to you about the Vioxx settlement and the letters that have gone out from law firms all over the country in which people are being made aware of the fact that we're getting to the end of this long process on Vioxx, and it's important that they let their attorneys know whether or not they are on any kind of governmental assistance or if they're interested in any planning for their award. One of the important things people need to remember is that if you receive money and you're on Medicaid, Section 8 housing, food stamps, certain SSI that are needs-based, even an amount as small as $2,000 can disqualify you in many instances from continuing to receive that aid. You can avoid that problem by proper planning in most instances, not all, but most instances, by working with a professional who understands the laws in your particular state. The letters that are going out are simply requesting that you let the firm know that that is your circumstance, that is your situation, and that you don't want them to send you your settlement proceeds on the Vioxx case until you've had the opportunity to work with or talk to a professional about the best way to handle your proceeds and to make sure that you don't knock yourself off of any governmental programs. The other issue is looking at your choices as far as how to take the funds. Obviously, people can receive their funds in a lump sum. That lump sum is income tax free and is payable to them at the time of settlement. But you also have the opportunity to do something that's called a structured settlement. There are structured settlement experts all over the United States. My firm has been doing it for almost 30 years. And one of the things that people need to be aware of, and most attorneys are aware of, but we want to make the clients aware of, is that you have to let your attorney know before you receive the funds that you might be interested in taking the money in a structured settlement. Now, a structured settlement, you can go on the internet and read up about it, but I'll just give you a very quick review, is the ability to take your money either in a lump sum or in periodic payments or installment payments over a period of time. Now, those period of times have a wide range of choices. You can take it for as long as you live, for as long as you and your spouse live. You can take it for a set period of time. You can do lump sums. There's a variety of things, but you need to talk to a professional who does structured settlement work. Most insurance agents, not most, all insurance agents, most financial planners and stockbrokers, they don't know anything about structured settlements. They don't have experience. They don't even have access to the ability to write them. You need to locate and work with a professional structured settlement advisor. Most law firms can recommend somebody to you. Obviously, I'd be happy to have you work with our firm, but if you don't want to work with our firm, I do encourage you to make sure that you talk with a structured settlement professional about your situation and your circumstances, because you have to make that decision before you receive your check. The benefit of the structure is it's fully guaranteed as far as the payment stream. It's income tax free. It comes to you in a format that is very useful, and you don't squander it. You don't have to deal with investment advisors or putting it in the bank and wondering what you should do with the funds. It pays you a competitive rate of interest. But before I go into all of that, the key thing is make sure that you locate a structured settlement professional, either my firm or some other firm, to talk with you and to let your law firm know, either in that letter or in a phone call, that you want to have the ability to work with an expert and to not send you that funds and to not send you that check until you indicate to them that you're ready to receive it and you have worked with a professional. So to recap, the key thing that you have to do next, if you get that letter and you are on governmental assistance, make sure you call one of the experts that is listed in the letter so that you can determine what the best course of action is for you in your particular state. The second thing is that if you believe that you might be interested in taking the money in a tax-free annuity over time called a structured settlement, you also want to check that box so that you have the opportunity to meet with and discuss your particular situation with a professional. As of right now, nobody knows exactly what the dollar amounts are that you're getting. It could be a little, it could be a lot, and obviously the recommendations change based upon the amount of money that you have. But I'll stress it again, talk with a professional. If you have a question, contact your attorney. read the letter over and check that box that indicates that you want to have your funds held until you've had an option to review all of your choices. And if you don't want to do the structured annuity, or you don't end up needing the trust, you simply get your check as you ordinarily would at that point in time. It doesn't obligate you to do anything, but it does protect your rights, and that's really what we're interested in doing. Again, my name is Mark Wahlstrom. I'm the president of Wahlstrom & Associates. That's spelled W-A-H-L-S-T-R-O-M. You can find us on the internet at wallstromandassociates.com or at thesettlementchannel.com. Thank you for your time. I hope this video has been helpful, and please contact us if you think we can be of assistance to you and your family.